During Hair Coloring Theory 3, we're going to talk about color levels, color tones, and how to work with different colors using color levels and color tones. Color levels. Hair colors have color levels which indicate the darkness or the lightness of a color. The color levels start from 1 to 10. Level 1 indicates the darkest of all colors, which could be black. Level 10 indicates the lightest of colors, which could be very light blonde. Level 11 and level 12, which are present on the color chart, are high lift colors, which with intense ammonia content, which enables them to lift several levels of virgin hair color. Usually 11 and 12 would not lift artificial pigment. So to review, level 1 in hair color is black or blue-black. Level 10 hair color is lightest blonde, although the two high lift levels of hair colors, level 11 and 12, would have lighter results as high lift colors, but the basic level system is made of 10 levels. Color tones are warm and cool. Warm cancels cool tones and cool cancels warm tones. By knowing the hair color level system and the tonality, a good hairdresser can easily switch any colors if necessary. Although colors could be identified with names like light auburn or onyx, hairdressers and color companies use a special number for the color level and a letter indicating a tone. For example, a color named dark brown could be encoded to 2N, which means color level 2 and color tone neutral. Almost all color companies are now trying to convert to this system of color identification for easier color implementation. There are various color charts available for the hairdresser to determine the color, the desired color for the client. Here's a color chart which is on paper. This is for reference only. You can look at it, you can look at the tones and the levels. Here are the levels from darkest to the lightest, okay? But any color chart that has hair on it is much better, easier to determine what color you want and how it will look on the client. You can also put this color chart on the client's face and see if this color is good for the client's face. Here are some neutral tones for you and some warm red tones for you. As I indicated before, level 1 is always dark, usually dark ash brown or blue-black. So we got those levels, level 1 to level 12. What I want you to do as students is when you're going shopping, when you're going outside, look at people's hair and determine their level. Here are the natural neutral levels, level 1 to level 10. Going from dark brown, medium brown, lightest brown, dark blonde, medium blonde, light blonde, very light blonde, and lightest blonde. They only have natural pigment. They do not have warm or warm pigments or intense reds or intense golds or oranges. All right, so when you refer to any color level, it is better to use the natural color level. Notice also that each color has a name, but the name is not that important. For a hairdresser, the number and the letter next to it is important. Like 2 shows level 2, okay? Here's a 6, level 6 lighter. Here's level 10, the lightest, all right? N determines the tone. N is for neutral. Every color chart has different tones, depends where the color comes from. Like if the color is American color and N is more neutral, you know, or G is gold. Some colors that are made in Italy or Spain, D could be dorado, which is gold, okay? Like Clairol has D as gold. So you have to know which letters indicate which tone of the color, all right? So here's the color chart. So we got the levels and then we got the tones. Here are my cool tones and here are my warm tones, all right? So if someone wants to have hair level 6, here's my level 6 right there, okay? And you look at the hair and you're matching another color. So let's say this is a Wella color and you're matching her color in another color. You went to another salon or she came to your salon, the client came to your salon and she has the hair. How are you going to determine what color to use on her hair? You don't have a client record card or nothing. So first we determine her level. Let's say she has auburn hair. I'm going first to go and see the level. Maybe her level is 6, okay? So her level is 6. Found the 6 on this. And then, because auburn is red or gold, I'm going to move to the gold colors. Going up, here are the tones, warm or gold. If you could see in here, dorado it says, see? Gold dorado. Sometimes it would say the D, dorado. And come out to 6. Here's my 6. Alright. Coming from 6 straight to gold or red. So auburn hair color would be somewhere around here and you will match it. Let's say they want red. They want intense red. Their level, natural level is 4. Okay. So we're going to look and see they have colored their hair this intense red and we're going to match it. Here's 4. Now I'm going to go and see this is neutral. So I'm going to move the 4 until I find the red, or if it's more intense, the red violet, and then I'll get those red violet colors. Here is a red color, so level 4 red, and I'll find that color. So by knowing the levels and by knowing the tones, you can match or find any color you want. I am looking for a color level 4 gold. Here's 411, which is level 4. Then I'm going to go up and find my gold on the top. Here's my gold, and if I find the gold and going all the way down, I will find 257, which is dark golden brown. Okay, here's 257, but it also has the name 4G, which means level 4 and the tone G. Next on Cosmetology Theory, Hair Coloring 4. How to successfully color gray hair. Please subscribe to my channel to view new cosmetology theory and practical videos as soon as they're posted. You should remember that repetition ensures positive recall. You must read the material at least 5 times to make sure you can remember it at the state board exam, especially when you're nervous. Your brain will process any material that is repeated enough. Well, good luck.